Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to a message in Outlook. This is a great way to personalize your emails and make them stand out, whether you're sending a special announcement or just want to add some visual flair to your communications. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox is visible before moving forward. This ensures you have access to all the composition tools we'll need for this tutorial. Once your email has been loaded, we can begin adding a background image to your message. To do this, you'll need to access your email tools by clicking on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens up a fresh email composition window where you'll be able to customize your message with a background image. From the Email Composition screen, look at the top part of your screen and click on the Options tab. This tab contains various formatting and design settings that allow you to customize how your email looks. Under the Options tab, look for the Page Color dropdown. This is where Outlook stores all the background customization features. From the dropdown, select Fill Effects. A Fill Effects window will appear, giving you multiple ways to add backgrounds to your email. From here, click on the Picture tab. This tab is specifically designed for adding image backgrounds to your messages. Then click on Select Picture. An Insert Picture window will appear, prompting you to choose the image source you're trying to add and use as a background image. You'll see several options here, like from a file, stock images, or online sources. For this tutorial, we'll simply use From a File, which allows you to select an image from your local directory on your PC. Click on From a File, and a File Explorer window will appear. This is where you can browse through your computer's folders to find the image you want to use. Click on the image you wish to set as your background to select it. Make sure it's an image that won't overpower your text and will still allow your message to be readable. Once you've selected your image, click on Insert. The added image will now be set as your background image for your message. You should see it appear behind the text area in your email composition window. And that's it. You've successfully added a background image to your Outlook message, making your email more visually appealing and personalized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.